Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft CoPilot inside Excel to automatically analyze your data. No formulas, no manual sorting, no pivot tables built by hand, just plain English questions and CoPilot does the work for you. As you can see, we are working with a real-world sales dataset, 15 orders, 5 salespeople across 4 regions, 2 product categories, and 4 months. This is exactly the kind of data businesses deal with every day. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Copilot to summarize trends, build charts, write formulas, create pivot tables, highlight data, and much more. Let's get started. Before anything else, make sure you have Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 usually comes with a Copilot license. You'll see the Copilot right here. This purple star icon on the right side of your home ribbon. If you don't see it, you may need to activate Copilot from your Microsoft 365 account settings. Now, let's click on Copilot. When you click Copilot, a panel opens on the right side. Think of it as a smart assistant that understands your spreadsheet. You will type your questions here in plain English, and Copilot will analyze your data and respond instantly. A pro tip: always convert your data to an Excel table first, because Copilot would get the best context to work with. So in order to do that, just highlight all your data and then press Ctrl T, enter, boom, your table is ready. And let's name it sales data. So sales underscore data and press enter. Feature 1, Auto Insights. There we go. Now that's the name of our table. Right, now let's ask Copilot questions regarding our table. So we'll open Copilot, and the first prompt we'll work with is called Auto Insights. And the prompt we'll be using is, what are the key insights from this data? There we go. It's telling us the total orders, the total revenue, the average revenue per order, the top performers, that Sarah Khan is the best salesperson. The top region is North. The best-selling product are the wireless mouses. And then the monthly trends. We saw that March was the peak of our sales and April was the lowest, with key takeaways that April requires attention, okay? And then the wireless mouse is your best seller. So, very interesting. You can even copy all this data and paste in your sheet. Feature 2, Sort and Filter. Now, let's talk about sorting and filtering, but the Copilot way. Instead of clicking the filter drop-down on every column, manually checking boxes and setting number conditions, you just describe exactly what you want in plain English. So, in the Copilot box, you can type, show me only electronics orders in the North region with revenue above $30,000. There we go. The table automatically filters. Rows with furniture disappear, south, east, west rows disappear, and only electronics and north with revenue above $30,000 rows remain. You can see 2 rows are visible. Okay, order 1001 and order 1009. And right over here, it gives the summary what it did. It also told us the combined revenue of both. And again, both orders were made by Sarah Khan. And if you want to clear all the filters, you could just type clear all filters and show all data. There we go. The full dataset is back. You can also ask Copilot to sort, say something like sort by revenue from highest to lowest. There we go. The entire table is now sorted with the highest revenue orders at the top and the lowest at the bottom. Pro tip: Copilot is very good at handling multi-step instructions. You can chain conditions like filter by South region, sort by unit sold descending, and highlight the top 3 rows. And done. Now, one of the most impressive things Copilot can do is write Excel formulas for you. No more Googling formula syntax. No more trying to remember whether it's sum if or sum ifs. Just describe what calculation you want. Feature 3, Formula Writing. We could ask Copilot to add a new column that calculates the profit for each order assuming a 30% profit margin. And there we go. You can see that Copilot calculated the profit using a 30% profit margin. You can even see in the formula bar that 30% was computed for calculating the profit. It multiplied the revenue with 30% to give me a 30% profit margin. That's great, right? Now, let's try another one more complex this time. In the Copilot panel, we'll type add a column that shows high if revenue is above 40,000, medium if between 20,000 and 40,000, and low if below $20,000. So we are trying to do a nested if function without doing anything. So let's do it. There we go. A new column has been created that's named revenue tier on its own by Copilot, and you can see a nested if function has been created automatically. So no need to memorize all those nasty functions now. You can also ask Copilot to explain the formula. So it's very good if you want to learn while you work. There we go, just like a teacher. How it works, a visual decision tree, and key points with examples to help you understand as you go. Now, feature 4, pivot table generation. Let's talk about pivot tables. Pivot tables are one of Excel's most powerful features and also one of the most intimidating for new users. With Copilot, you don't need to know how pivot tables work. You just describe what summary you want. So I'm going to tell Copilot, we can start a new chat, create a pivot table showing total revenue by salesperson and by month. There we go. You can see Excel created a new sheet with the name pivot table. And it's completely formatted on its own. We can see at a glance that Sarah Khan has the highest revenue, while Ahmed Ali has the lowest revenue. Ahmed Ali has no revenue for the month of January. However, he had a strong February sale. We could also follow up. We could ask Copilot to modify it, like add a row for category totals. There we go. You can see that Copilot added category as a second row field, nested under each sales person. Brilliant. Feature 5, chart creation. Now, let's use Copilot for creating charts. So now, I'm going to use a prompt. Charts and graphs, they make data visual, but setting them up can be time consuming. Copilot can create fully formatted charts in seconds. Let's try it. Right in the panel, we would type, create a bar chart showing total revenue by region. There we go. You can see Copilot has grouped all the revenue by region and built a bar chart. We can immediately see that North leads, followed by West, then South, and East at the lowest. We can also ask Copilot to make a line chart with trends. And there we go, boom. You can see that Copilot created a line chart and it has marked the monthly revenues of January, February, March, and April. Brilliant. We could reorganize this. We could put it wherever we want to. Feature 6, highlight and conditional formatting. Now, let's talk about highlight and conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, highlighting cells based on values, is another area where Copilot shines. Instead of navigating through multiple menus and building rules manually, just describe what you want highlighted. So right here in the panel, I would write highlight all rows where revenue is above $40,000 in green and pending orders in orange, and press enter. Instantly, the high revenue orders turn green, the pending orders turn orange. No clicking through conditional formatting menus, no building rules from scratch, 2 conditions applied in one prompt. We could also follow up like change the green rows to blue. And there we go. It has turned to blue as we wanted. And that's it. We've used Copilot to automatically generate insights, filter and sort data, write complex formulas, build a pivot table, create a chart, apply conditional formatting, and run a data quality check, all without touching a single menu. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe my channel and drop a comment with which feature you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.